We are currently standing on the brink of a technological revolution. Artificial intelligence, machine learning from data, and robotics are transforming the world as we know it. They can fundamentally alter the way we work and live. Science fiction is becoming reality. Self-driving cars promise a safer journey, but also can make decisions for us. Targeted advertisements influence our bias. Face recognition is watching us in festivals. Algorithms beating world champions in games like chess. Humanoid robots with big, cute eyes taking over reception desks. The fourth industrial revolution is evolving at an exponential pace and can disrupt almost every industry globally. How can we ensure a smooth transition into the future and avoid a super intelligent robot overlord taking over our jobs? We need people from across disciplines to come together, understand the science behind the headlines, foresee the implications that AI can have on our society, and ensure a future where artificial intelligence is used to save lives. In this unit, we aim to demystify artificial intelligence, investigate the impact that AI and machine learning algorithms can have on our society, explore opportunities and limitations. You will work with students from every background, collaborate together to shape a brighter future where AI is not a replacement of the workforce, but an enabler.